Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. I'm Giovanni Dennis, and we kick things off with the latest from the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Track and Field Championships at the National Stadium, where 7 sprint events have been completed so far on day 3. Now, our reporter Jerome Foster is at the National Stadium and now joins us.
Thank you, Giovanni. So after last night's scorching runs in the 100 meters from Buaji and Krumi and Alana Reid, 12 finals are down to be contested today on day 3 of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Track and Field Championships here at the National Stadium. You join us in the midst of the high jump class 3 for girls. But earlier this morning, we saw the Class 4 100-meter champion, Kayla Johnson from Immaculate Conception High School, qualifying in the 200 meters. However, Kevina Byrne of Port Antonio was the fastest qualifier with 25.36 seconds. In Class 3, defending champion, Thiana Lee Thurlong of Edwin Allen, she was the fastest qualifier and she was oozing. She crossed the line in 24.76 seconds.
Along with Blake of San Diego, these two, Terlong and Blake, taking it easy. Going top 2 will take you through automatically, and Terlong decides to take control of the race and comes across easily ahead of Blake.
Malik Dennis of Jamaica College, he was the fastest qualifier for Class 3 boys. He stopped the clock in 22.89 seconds.
Thomas Daly, and going with him is Dennis of Jamaica College, but it's Thomas Daly. In Jamaica, I would say he has a big man name. That's Thomas Daly of Cornwall College. Dennis now of Jamaica College presses and joins him at the line and takes it as they come across the line.
Those were some of the highlighting moments from this morning session. Later this afternoon, big points are expected in the 400 meters for either side of the party. And remember, after 9 finals on the girls' side, Edwin Allen, they're out front with 55 points, 6 ahead of San Diego, home with their 3rd with 41. And remember, Edwin Allen, they are the defending champions. For the boys, Jamaica College, after 8 finals, they're out front with 74 points, 13 ahead of defending champions Kingston College, who have 61. And 3rd place, Calabar, they are on 29 points. So until then, I'm Jerome Foster, reporting from the National Stadium.
Thanks so much, Jerome. And of course, you can continue following the Boys and Girls Track and Field Championships on all our platforms. Finally, a new format and 4 new teams will highlight the new season of the JFF Tier 2 football competition, which is set to kick off in just over 2 weeks. Mead Forest, Racing United, Brownstown and FC Reno are first-timers in the league, which is entering its 2nd season. Former 3-time national champions Reno missed last season after failing to register players on the new FIFA portal. Mead Forest were offered a spot by the JFF after the Casafa Conference decided not to send forward any team. Racing United and Brownstown advanced after topping the qualifying competition. The league, which will qualify 2 teams for next season's Jamaica Premier League, is expected to kick off on April 15. And that's it for your midday sports. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Sharmila, it's back to you.
Thank you, Giovanni. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us again for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.